Okay, in this video we're going to take a close look at the duplicate and repeat tool. This is it right up here. You can see that it's grayed out or inactive at the moment. If I were to click on something, then I would be able to use that tool. Now it is active. But what I'm going to do is just get rid of this. And let's go ahead and get the box tool, and we will drop this down to, let's say, 5 millimeters in height, and then I'm just going to stretch it out kind of big. I'm not really concerned with the size of it right now. Okay, so let's set it up here a little bit. Now let's say we wanted to do an array of circular holes. Okay, I chose the cylindrical hole, but I could change any of these objects into subtractive holes if I wanted to. So let's go ahead and just leave that the exact same size. Okay, I'm going to start it out up here, and then I'm going to click on the duplicate button. Now it looks like nothing happened, but it actually duplicated that cylindrical hole in the same location. So at this point, I'm going to reset my snap grid to 5 millimeters. And I'm going to use the right arrow on my keyboard, 2, 3, 4, 5 clicks. So those should be 5 millimeters apart because I moved this cylinder over 25 millimeters. So now let's use the duplicate tool again, and it's going to repeat not just the act of duplicating, but also the movement associated with that first duplicate. And it will do that over and over again. So now that looks pretty good for my first row. What I can do now is hold down Shift and click on each of these. If I were to accidentally select the red rectangle at the bottom, then I would have to have started over. So I've got all of those cylinders selected. Let's group them into one object. And now let's duplicate that. And I'll use my down arrow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And now I'll duplicate that. And I very quickly have been able to make an array of cylindrical holes. So let's go ahead and group. Notice I'll do that one more time. I'm going to click and drag over everything, including the solid object, and I'll group them. Ta-da! Give it a try.